What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I decided that I was gonna try a breakfast item from Starbucks. They came out with a new one, I think it was yesterday or the other day, and they didn't tell me about it, so I found out just by going there regularly, just going to get my drink, and I was like, they have a new sandwich, I'm gonna try it. So it's called the Impossible Breakfast Sandwich. It's a plant-based sausage patty combined with cage-free fried egg and cheddar cheese on ciabatta bread. So your girl loves meat, so I'm going to tell people who are curious if they're just starting to become, I guess, what is it, vegetarian? I don't know, plant-based. If it actually tastes like real meat or not, because I'm kind of curious. I've never really tried like something like an Impossible Burger or anything like that, so I figured I would try it for you guys today, because why not? So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and let's go to Starbucks.
Carla, what's in here for you today?
Hey, I have a pickup order for Hannah.
Awesome. We're working on it right now. You need anything else today?
That's it.
Alrighty, we'll see you at the window.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yay! I'm excited. Yeah.
Have you tried it yet?
No.
It's so yummy.
I'm excited. Okay guys, so here we have the what was that? The Impossible Breakfast Sandwich. So I'm excited. This is what it looks like close up, if you can see. There's cheese, egg, and sausage on it, and I am all about breakfast sausage. It's literally so freaking good. Okay, let me read you how many calories it is. It's 430 calories, which kind of a lot. It's got 23 grams of fat, 36 grams of carbs, and 22 protein. 22 protein? We love that. Okay, so it smells bomb. Like, I had a breakfast sandwich this morning, so I have something to compare it to, even though I had something to compare it to anyway. We're gonna go ahead and try it. It is really hot, so I'm scared I'm gonna burn myself. So here we go. It's not bad. Oh, hot. Oh, hot. It's not bad, but I can definitely taste that it's not sausage. I had it this morning, so I definitely know. I got it at Dunkin' though. But it's not terrible. The egg tastes like egg. Like, it doesn't taste like fake egg. The cheese is really good. I think it's just the sausage that's throwing me off a little bit. But other than that, I think it's still really, really good. And for someone who doesn't eat meat but wants it to taste, I guess, not as close to meat as possible, this is pretty good. Or if you need to like cut meat out of your diet for some reason, it's pretty good. If I do say so myself, I'm definitely gonna finish this whole thing, but it's a little too hot for me right now, so I gotta wait till it cools off, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to rate this a 8 out of 10. I totally recommend it for you guys. You guys should definitely go try it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what other food items from Starbucks you would like me to try. I've tried the egg bites before, but I think that's the only other thing that I've tried from there food-wise. So I would love to try some more stuff for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.